Yeah, what is margins and what is the properties we have? Okay, what is margins in CSS? So what is the margin means? It will give the space, and it will gives the space outside of the elements of the border, and it will be used to create between the elements on the web page. So that's why we are using these margins as well. And we have the some properties that will be margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left, and margin also. The margin top will be what it happens means it will give the space above an element. Okay, margin right means it will give the space to right side only, and margin bottom means below the element it will give the space, and left means it will give the left of the element only, and the margin means it will give the space around of the fourth side of the corner. So like that we will use the margins as well. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, just
Yeah, we will see how it will be used and how the what is the syntax and all the things. The margin means margin in CSS is the space outside the border. Okay, outside of the border of an element, of an element. Okay, so it creates space between elements on a web page, So how many types of margins we have? Like you can use margin directly, okay, or else you can take margin top, margin right, margin bottom. Okay, next margin left, like that you can take. Okay, so what is the margin? This margin will be sets the space between four sides of elements. Okay, between four sides of elements. Next, margin top means it sets space above the element. Okay, next, what is margin right? Margin right means sets space to the right of the element. Okay, next, margin bottom means sets space below the element. Okay, next, margin left means sets space to the left of the element. That's it. Okay, you can take it as one example. You can define one selector here, that will be element selector I am taking. Directly you can use the margin property, and directly you can assign the any value. Okay, like that it will be executed. How it will be, we will see in the real-time examples. Or else you can take directly 4 sets values at a time, also, 3 values at a time also, as well 2 values also. And how it will be, we can see. And you can take 4 sides at a time means it will like a shorthand. So how it will be means, you can assign the element here, and after that margin. So directly you can assign 10 pixel space 15 pixel space 10 pixel and 15 pixel. Directly you can assign the 4 values at a time. This is actually what this will be do is what it will do is this is short and for setting margins, okay, on all four sides of an element. Okay, so like that it will be set. Like here what done means 10 will do top, okay, and 15 will do 15 pixel will do right, and 10 pixel it will do and it will set bottom, okay, and 15 will set left, okay, like that it will set it. So we will see how it will be examples and how it will be added. We will see in an example right away. Go to your front end, so open CSS part and take cmd code space dot enter. The Visual Studio is open, the particular folder is open here, and set the name here, that will be margin.html. okay, so this is the bytecode, and you can take this will be the margin example here, and here you can set the name, that will be the div, and I'm taking the class box only I'm taking here, okay, the class name will be the box, and here I'm taking the static text, that will be the this box uses all individual margin, okay, margin properties, okay. So directly I'm taking the break here, we don't have the ending tag for this, and I'm setting here the top, just normally I'm taking 40 pixel, an example, and right I'm taking just a static text only I'm giving, guys, okay. So 60 pixel here, and the bottom will taking 30 pixel here, and the left, these all are applied for margins, okay. So here I have applied, so ending with this, and I want to apply the CSS. For this CSS, what is this? This is only the static one without applying anything here. So for this I need to apply the CSS as well. I'm going to take the link file, link rel referral, here style and sheet, we don't have the we don't have the space between style and sheet here, and I'm going to taking href, and here I'm creating the corresponding folder, okay, that will be margin.css I'm taking. So what is the extension for saving CSS? That will be the .css. I'm going to creating file from here itself, created file. So first I'm taking element CSS, element selector, that will be the body I'm applying here. So background I'm taking the background color I'm taking here, that will be the light coral I'll take, okay, light coral. The named color I'm taking here, and after that font family, the font family, the default one I'm taking, that will be the Arial. So we will see how it is applied. Go to and refresh this browser, this will be, and I want to apply right now the margin one and all the things based on the class name. Based on the class name I want to apply. So this is the class name I'm taking, this is the class name. Here I'm taking indication with the dot, the class name. So after that the background color that will be, I want to take navy. Okay, navy, the named color I'm taking navy. Okay, the named color I'm taking here navy, and after that color white I'm taking here. Okay, color the white. Padding, I'm applying padding here. Okay, padding means the space around. Okay, so 20 pixel here, and after that margin top I'm applying here, that will be the 40 pixel. Okay, next margin right I'm taking here, margin right, that will be the 60 pixel I'm taking, 60 pixel. And next margin bottom I'm taking here. Okay, margin bottom, that will be the 30 pixels. Next margin left I'm taking, margin left I'm taking 80 pixels. Okay, next border radius I'm taking. So what happens here, border radius means that corners, 4 sides of the corners, the curve symbol is coming over there. Okay, so 8 pixels. So we will see, so like this it will apply. So this is the margin, top, and all the things. We will untick one by one. We will see the differences here. For the class, this is a box 1. Okay, so here unticking, the background color is removed, the text color I applied. Okay, so the padding, so like this the padding will happen. You want something, this one you can apply. So this is a better thing, so it is saying for good, right? So I will apply this one here. Okay, pixel. Next margin top, like this it will move some top, right? Margin right, it will move some left and right. We will decrease something, you can decrease something, so I'm increasing, so it is decreasing side. Okay, like that. So margin bottom, so this will be the bottom. I think I have kept like this, so I didn't see any differences here. Right, left side, the left side will be whole, like that. So corners, so some corners I will increase this 8. So then the corners something, it will like this. So how the differences will happen using the margin one. So you can manipulate the things here as you wish, and this is a customization. Are you getting my point? How you want, that will be, you can apply the CSS as well. So this is a customization.